Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to delete or remove your date of birth on Telegram. This is when you don't want the public to see your date of birth or you want just to remove it. First you need to open your Telegram application. Then at the bottom we are going to click on the profile icon. Then here we are going to edit bio. Then this is our date of birth or our birthday. Let's click there. We want to remove it by just click on the word remove here. The birthday is removed, as you can see. Guys, we no longer have birthday on Telegram. Guys, that's how you can remove or you can delete your birthday on Telegram. And that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.